So today I'm going to show you an easy way how to get zucchini out of putting a seed in the little pot there. So I'm going to take some soil first of all, put it right in here, fill it up like that. Let's do another one too, that'll be fun. That's good. Okay, so I'm taking this kind of zucchini here. So I'm going to take the seed right here, put it in. You don't have to put it super deep. And let's put another one here, right here. Okay, and the main thing here is to not forget to water them. So now I'm just going to gently water them there. Try the holes right here. See, that's good enough there. And always keep them humid. Always water them every day. Make sure it's not dry. And I'm going to leave it here in the greenhouse. Okay, so temperature here can go up to 40 degrees Celsius, which is pretty good for getting zucchini out of little pots there. And let's see a couple weeks later what result we'll get out of that. So you can see here a couple weeks later we got this little zucchini growing here in the bed box. Now I've took them out just to make it grow here, and I'm looking forward to get some nice zucchini. Now you can see these other ones right here have been growing a little bit faster. Some grow faster than others, depends on the soil you have here, but I think not so long I'll start to have some zucchinis forming there, and I'll be ready to eat them. Fantastic. I hope you enjoyed this video here. Please don't forget to subscribe.